Okay, I have an update. I've completely made myself at home. My stuff is everywhere, and I've just rearranged and made a little pile. I was talking to the vendors who were restocking. I have found some crazy things, and I've bought something that might be just for me. It's pretty incredible. I might get canceled because of it, but let's go through and see what else I got. So this is also kind of interesting to me. I just like the pearlized glaze on it. It's got a little bit of wear, but it's got a heart base. It's $4 after the discount. It's kind of tempting. I might pick that up. Let's see. What about these milk glass salt and pepper shakers? $6. Those are kind of nice. Am I getting weird with this vase? I'm not sure if I want to mess with this vase, actually. I'm going to put that back. I'm starting to get a little weird. I would need a coffee. I wonder if they have coffee here somewhere. Well, I didn't get a coffee, but black amethyst vase, $6. What's this one? This one's kind of neat. $5. It's kind of cool. And 20%. So $4. It's kind of neat. So here I go again. Even though I've kind of bashed white glass and glass baskets, double whammy, this one is very cool. It's $8 and 20%. I am gonna go ahead and pick that up. I think I'm gonna come back around when I do my lap, but in the meantime, I'm gonna keep going. Well, this is very cool, isn't it? It's got the blue bird, the pearlized glaze, and the shoe. It's made in Japan. It's $8 and 20%. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and take that. That is different. I already see foot as is for $15. I don't care. That is coming with me. Well, while I'm waiting to get the key situation together, I'm gonna finish going through this booth so I can fill my basket. For $3, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that ashtray. And I like the vase with the handles on it. That one's only $4. I'm gonna get that one too. And what about this one? This one's got the handles too. This is kind of neat. $4, $3. Oh man, this is so overwhelming. But also look at these poodles. White poodles, $8 for the pair, $4 each. We're gonna grab those, and one will go on Etsy and one will go on Whatnot maybe, or maybe I won't split them up. I don't know. There's so much stuff in this booth. Hold on, this is too much for me. I am still in this booth now as where I don't want to ship this. I am kind of in awe of this kinetic seagull sculpture, $8. I feel like I've seen these before and they were really expensive and they're kind of hard to find. Kind of in love with it. So the prices are kind of all over the place for this. I do need to come back to this booth because I need a key. So I'm gonna keep walking around and see if I see that nice lady. I think she knows that I'm doing some major damage over here. Is this $17 for the creamer and pitcher? Oh gosh, I'm nuts right now. Oh, look at this. This is fantastic. I love that framed Easter postcard, $8. I don't think I could get that much more out of that, honestly. Okay, I have an update. I've completely made myself at home. My stuff is everywhere, and I've just rearranged and made a little pile. I was talking to the vendors who were restocking. I have found some crazy things, and I've bought something that might be just for me. It's pretty incredible. I might get canceled because of it, but let's go through and see what else I got. Now, I did end up picking up this Lefton Elf. Now, whereas they normally sell anywhere from $50 to $90 in good condition, he's got a broken foot and he's also got broken hair. Still, just for the collector that's not the perfectionist, they'll be happy to see this at a reasonable price. I'm only paying $10 for him. And then I couldn't resist this little guy. He's only $4. And I did go ahead and pick up this, I did go ahead, sorry, I got distracted. This lady walking past me is wearing the coolest outfit ever. Did go ahead and pick up this head vase, but it does have a little chip here on the eye. It was only $6. And I just couldn't resist his face. He no longer squeaks, he's hardened, but he's only $4. And He looks disturbed. He looks like he needed a home. And I'm also gonna go ahead and pick up this glass frog, which is only $4. It's different from what I normally would pick up. I'm kind of running out of space here. And I also picked up these butterflies. The whole set was only $6. Very cool, mid-century. You can do a lot of stuff with that. But what I did get for myself is very weird. No shocker there. Hold on 1 second. Oh, I almost forgot. I did pick up this hors d'oeuvres holder. It's shaped like a pagoda. I just thought it was neat. It was different, and it was only $4. Kind of got a little out of hand there, but like I said, the prices are cheaper than the thrift store, so it's okay. Now I have to show you what I got for myself. This is going to be disturbing, perhaps. It is an antique Victorian muff, and yes, it is monkey. So, it's a monkey muff. It's very Kate. And for $26, it was too weird. I kind of felt like there would be an opportunity at some point that this would become useful, and I would be happy to have it. So, $26 monkey muff for Kate today. Oh my gosh, I'm not even halfway through. This is kind of a nightmare, and I'm gonna have to circle back because that vendor is already restocking. Glass hen on us, $20. Just kidding. Let's see, what else can we find in here? How about this handkerchief? Oh, okay, $29. I was gonna say that's really pretty. The prices here have been insanely reasonable. Like, speaking of which, oh, it's got a chip. That's why I was like, why is this only $5? I've had it before though too. My basket is starting to get super heavy. What is this? Lighter. That's not what I thought it was. Where was I going? I was going somewhere. Oh yeah, this green glass dish. Very cool. Unfortunately, it's got some pretty severe crazing. It actually looks kind of cracked. What's going on with this planter? Napco Scottish Lad planter, $9 firm. He's pretty fantastic. Scottish stuff like that doesn't really sell that well for me, although I'm tempted to pick it up because it is Napco. It is marked firm, so there's no discount. Not that that's not a completely reasonable price. These are really pretty. Let's see, 2 of 2, pair, $8. Right? No, is that not what it says? I'm very no, that's the inventory number. Just kidding, it's $19. Ah, crap. Look at this booth. Oh, I'm never gonna get out of here. I mean, I knew that though, coming out here, but still, I racked up $200 already, but it's all right. I'm not gonna get too in my head about it. You know, I can be pretty thrifty. This is a cute setback in this case with the bear and the stump. Let's see, how much is this? $13. Totally fair price. I'm not in love with the color now that I kind of look at it again. And I've had that Big Eye Girl cookie jar, actually. I don't like shipping cookie jars. They cost a lot in packing material and stuff. All right, well, first of all, the little bunny, $9. Totally fair. Happy. That's so cute. Looks like Joseph Originals. And then this is the Norcrest, $25. That's a decent price for a collector, but not for my purposes. What about this Joseph Original Owl? $20. Yeah. Oh, look at what we have here. One of my favorite patterns ever. Starburst lamp. Any item marked with an X is 50% off. Unfortunately, there's no X there. That's too good to be true. Even at $38, that's totally fair. So I can't be too, little plastic ashtray. I haven't had much luck with those. I used to sell those like crazy. Like, I mean, as soon as I bought them, they would sell. But I haven't sold one in a while, so I'm going to leave it alone, even though the price is right. Let's see. Gosh, I really wish I had like a shot of caffeine or something. I'm not halfway through. And how many times am I going to say that? A lot, because it's taking me forever. It's not 50% off, even though that's a really nice price. That's a good piece. It's really cool. I've been really into this orange, lustery Japan stuff. So the jewelry situation happening in here is crazy. What's the fine print on this 30% off? All right, so it's 30% off all items. Uh-oh, I think I might be in trouble in here. Every time I see these flowers now, I think of that epic thing Kathy sent me where the girl is like making planters and stuff. She's got like flower garden display. Gosh, this is great. Oh man, I'm gonna spend so much time here. What was I talking about? She sent me these really cool, oh my gosh, wait, cowboy flamingo? Stop. $7.50 plus 30%. She sent me these really epic displays. Oh my gosh, look at this flamingo one with the guitar. All right, I'm gonna bring out my calculator and take off my jacket. I'm gonna get comfortable here. This is gonna take a while. This one's for me though, right? I feel like I have to keep that. I'm gonna try and get the good weird ones like this alligator one. This one's pretty epic and it's got the red rhinestone eye for $5.25. I'm gonna add that one into my pile. I hope these aren't like falling straight through. The elephant, it's so cheap. It's like, how do you not just buy everything? That's kind of my dilemma right now, you know? This is March daffodil. That's so sweet. How much is this one? $10. It's still a fair price. I mean, these have been going insanely high. It's really fun, but what other one should I get? Ooh, that one's great. $14. Even with 30%, that's fair. But again, more than I'd like to pay. These ones are $11 each. What about the beaded one? That one's cool, $12. I have some beaded flowers I need to get rid of. They've just been kind of sitting. Let's see, what about this? What's this butterfly? That's neat. I kind of like the alligator though. All right, let's see. More flamingos. This daisy one, I can't help but notice. $11, 30%. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get that one. Let's see, this is pretty freaking weird. What's happening here even? $8. I'm really unsure what the scene is there. And then I got the lion. There's just so many. What's this ceramic one? That's kind of neat. $12.50. Again, fair, but more than I'd like to pay. This is quite interesting. Metal pin, 18. I think I'm gonna sell the cowboy flamingo. I'm getting a little overzealous with that. I don't need that. The giraffe is cool. $8. Man, I just want to buy everything. Maybe I should come back here. This is a very interesting one. This oval pin, and it's vintage. Make sure this works before I get too excited. This is just very cool. It almost looks like it might be Bakelite, but I doubt it. There we go. Yeah, for $11, I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick that one up too. I really like the look of that. I'm obsessed with this bangle, but I don't need it. I would not sell that if I got it. I'm like a total sucker for bracelets. Oh, wait, it's a little cigarette. Oh, wait, stop. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. I've only had one once. Let's see if I can do this with one hand that's stuck. Yeah, it's a little ashtray thing. Yeah, it's stuck. Ashtray, $8. We're gonna buy that for sure. Those are really hard to find. Very cool, and 30% off, right? Not marked firm. Epic. All right, I've made it to $240. This is nice. Limoges, newer. Ooh, what's happening with this little planter? That's cute. 23. Even with the discounts, it's more than I can do anything with it. Yeah, there's a couple little things hidden in here that are almost for me, but again, I'm looking for that special something. I've already filled up a couple baskets. I will say too, I will pick it up if it's too good a deal to deny, because it will probably end up going on my whatnot. Does that say 19? That's quite spectacular. Really like that style right now. Ooh, look at these candle holders. Oh my gosh. I'm like really trying to. 65 Art Deco pair, 65 plus 30%. That's That's actually not a bad deal. For a collector, that's a steal. For resale, it's more than I'd like to pay, even with the discount. But wait, there's another booth of 30% off next to it. Oof. Okay. This is, oh my gosh, $7.50 each. How cute. This is gonna be a whole thing, isn't it? Look at this chick. Oh my gosh, $19 as is. Still, look at that face. I love it. The beaded eggs are something I normally wouldn't really like, but I'm super into them. All right, time to dissect this. I'm gonna start this way and work our way over. No, I'm gonna start this way and work my way over. So these are a newer version, 1980s, and they're pretty beat up for that bisque material, even though the price is right now. This chick, the music box, is adorable, but it's $10.50. I'm not sure if I want to spend that much on it, even though it does work. It's just, I don't know. These have been kind of hit or miss. Now I'm just seeing this plastic bunny head bank. That's pretty fantastic. How much is that? I don't see a price. This is cut for bank. Huh. All right, let me get back. These eggs are very cool. I really like this one. I don't know what's up with me, but I'm really into it. What's going on here? Blue beaded egg on stand, $6.50 minus 30%. Well, it's only $4.55, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab that, but I'm just now noticing this epic freaking planter. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need space. Hold on. I am so in love. I've never seen a planter like this exactly, and it's only $5.60 after the discount. It is Japan. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and get this. Maybe we can use I need another basket real bad. All right, what's this one? $9.50. Kind of fantastic with the luster. I'm a little overwhelmed right now at the moment. This one's left in, even though it's newer. It's very cute, but I cannot stand that bisque material. Although at that price, I can't really complain. What about the, I gotta do, is this duck chipped with line? Oh yeah, it's repaired. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave that. Oh my gosh, look at this. Ah, like there's just so many things here. $6.50. Look at this funny little handmade thing. Well, I had to step away from the Easter table there because everything was starting to look the same. This, oh my gosh, I'm in love. Oh wow, this is epic. I'm getting this. I'm gonna have a hard time getting rid of that. I